Uh, can you introduce about yourself?
Yes, sir. I'm Swapnil Shivnarayan Valde. I'm from Bandara, and I have done my graduation in BSc Computer Science from Nagpur University. And currently, I have working as a automation tester at Eclipse Services Limited from last 3.6 year. And uh, currently, I mean, there was I working in manual testing and automation testing, both type of testing I have performed. And in manual testing, I have performed the preparation test cases, execution of test cases, and test cases design, and smoke testing, functional testing, and I have performed also API testing and database testing also.
Oh, okay. So, which methodology do you use?
We are using agile methodology.
Agile methodology. So, there
Yes,
must be
sir.
sprints, right?
Yes, sir. There must be sprint.
Okay. So, what is the average duration of the sprint?
Average duration of the sprint, there is a 10 to 15 days, sir.
So, you are having 15 days sprint.
Yes, sir. Now we are having 15 days.
Okay. So, how the work is divided within this 15 days?
Divided means first is we have sprint planning meeting, and there is involve some teams like Scrum Master, Product Owner, and tester, test lead, and developer also, and there we discuss about the sprint, uh, like how to manpower is able for this next sprint, and we Scrum Master divided the task to everyone, and Scrum Master also create a sprint backlog, and after that we uh, we are available for the daily stand-up meeting like a Scrum meeting also, and we discuss in Scrum meeting uh, what we did yesterday, and what how are we doing today, and what is the blocker for the next sprint, and current sprint how we are going to do, and after that sprint review meeting, there we discuss about the sprint, like good thing and bad thing we discuss the in sprint review meeting, and after that sprint retrospective meeting, and after that finish the work.
Okay. So, in retrospective, we discuss about what went good and what went bad, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. In sprint review, we check out if whatever stories we have planned at the start of sprint are covered or not.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay. So, how much will you rate yourself in Java?
Sir, I have rate myself in 7 out of 10. Yes, right.
Okay. So, can you tell me what is meant by primitive and non-primitive data types?
Primitive and non-primitive, primitive and non-primitives are
So, there are two types of data types. Like we are having integer, then we are having character, we are having boolean, we are having tuple, we are having float, and then we are having data types like string, array. What is the difference between those?
integer data type is like we are pass the only number values, and string data types, in the string data types we have passing there only character wise data, or mix of data like means alphabetical plus numericals number we have to pass in string type data, and after that boolean type data, that is only allow for the true or false, and yes, and double type data can allow, uh, can I tell you for the
I was asking about
uh,
difference between primitive and non-primitive, right? So primitive is something where the size is fixed.
hmm,
Like for integer, we are having fixed size. Where for double, we are having fixed, right? But if we talk about the arrays, we talk
yes,
about the strings. So their length is not fixed. It's variable. That's why it is called as non-primitive data types.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Can you share your screen and open Notepad?
Yes, sir. Sure. Sir, now?
Yeah, it's visible now.
Yes.
Okay, so again, let us say we are having a string,
Mm-hmm.
declare a
Mm-hmm.
string,
Mm.
string s equals to,
S equals to
my name is Swapnil.
my Swapnil.
Okay, this is the string, right? So how can we calculate length of a string?
Length. Uh,
So we are having different methods, right, in string class.
length.
So one of the
Sure.
method we have to use.
Yes, yes. We have. Sir, I forget it. Sorry.
Length is the name of method. So s dot length will give us length of that
Single of
particular
length.
string, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you know how can we convert integer into string?
Okay. Integer into string, na? Okay. Integer. Okay. Okay. Integer dot parse. Parse. Parse int s.
Parse
Yes,
we
sir.
will use when we have to convert a string into integer.
Yes, sir. String into integer. Oh, sorry. मतलब ये नहीं है. Okay. Int a equals to 20. Integer string. Sorry, sorry. Okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me what are exceptions in Java? What is meant by exception?
Expectations means like unexpected event when we have to run the particular code, and we have got particular uh, unexpected event. We call that means expectations. There is a runtime expectations, and other expectations mean checked exception also there.
Okay, what is OOPS concept?
OOPS means are object-oriented programming language, polymorphism, inheritance, and abstractions, uh, abstraction encapsulations.
Can you explain polymorphism a little?
Polymorphism, polymorphism means, for example, particular variable like different. We are using the particular variable, so that so that vertical variable act as a different matter in different role.
Are you good with Selenium?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you write a code to launch the browser?
Launch the browser. Okay. All methods I have run, sir.
Yeah, try to write as much as you can.
And path. that. And upload. You
You can write www.google.com.
google.com. Yes. And
System.set property in the packet you have written WebDriver Chrome. Is it a correct syntax?
yes, sir.
WebDriver, driver, Chrome you have written, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So do we use comma there?
No, no. एक मिनट. Web driver. ये Chrome. Yes.
Okay, and we do not use comma in between. We use dot. WebDriver.Chrome.driver. Okay, now the code is correct. Now it will launch Chrome driver as well as it will open google.com.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Okay. Is there any another method other than get?
Another method for the open URL, sir.
Do you know navigate too?
Navigate method also, like, yes, sir. But for the navigate method, we used to particular means tab to another tab, parent side to child side when we have to go
For that we use switch to, right?
switch to. Yes, sir. Yes, sorry. Switch to.
Okay. So if you want to open the URL, we can use get method as well as navigate dot to,
Okay.
and the URL will get open. Okay. How do we handle mouse actions in Selenium?
Mouse action, for the mouse action we have mouse action method also, action class for that.
Okay, so we have actions class for that.
Yes.
What are the different methods we are having in actions class?
Click method is also there, and act dot double click also there, and move to element, act dot perform also, and when we have to perform the mouse action, so after that we write the code and ending dot perform.
Can you tell me what is the difference between web element and web driver?
Web element, with the web elements helps we for the particular action in the web elements only, and web page elements, and web driver help us for the action on the browser only.
Okay. What are different type of locators in Selenium?
Locators means id, tag name, and class name, class also, and text, and partial link test, and SS selector also, like.
And what are different
Yes.
types of XPath we are having?
XPath by attributes, XPath by text, XPath by context, contents, and XPath by index, and XPath by, sorry, absolute XPath and relative XPath.
Now, can you open a browser in your laptop? Open Chrome browser and open
Yes.
amazon.com.
Yes.
Now you see there is a English icon is there just besides sign in.
English, yes.
Yeah.
English, yes. Yes,
So,
sir.
can you find out web element of that or XPath of that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, Copy that and paste it in your Word file, which we have. Which method we will use to declare a web element?
Expert.
You know it. You are just not recalling it. Driver dot find element, right?
Yes, sir. Sorry. Why?
Find element only, not S.
Find element.
Still anything missing? By dot XPath, right?
By dot expert. Yes, sir.
Now go to Amazon.
Yes, sir.
If you click on that English button, there will be a drop down, right?
Yes, sir.
And now if you have to select Dutch as a language, how can we do that?
Dutch.
How do we handle drop down in Selenium?
Drop down select as we have to object create two object in select method, sir.
Okay. Can you write a
Yes.
code for that?
Yes, sir. Yes. Select.
Yes. Oh, okay. So this will select Dutch as a language. Last question for you. You use Maven for project.
Yes, sir.
So what are the different dependencies we add in our project?
Different dependency means uh, Selenium WebDriver and uh, Selenium WebDriver we add in the pom.xml file, sir.
Okay, and what about TestNG?
TestNG, sir, mean questions is what, sir?
Okay, so for test execution, no, either we'll have to add a dependency for TestNG or we can add dependency of JUnit. Do you know what are the different annotations we have in TestNG?
Yes, sir. Before, can I tell you? Before suit, before text, before class, and before class and before method, and at the rate text, and after method, after class, and after text, and after suit.
There is nothing like after test, right? At the rate test only, after class, after method, after suit you can also have.
Yes, sir.
What is invocation count?
Invocation count means like we if we have invocation counts is equal to 5, so that is particular text run 5 times run the particular text.
Can we give negative priority?
Negative priority.
We have priority as a keyword, right? In TestNG.
Yes, yes, sorry, priority is the keyword, please. Priority keywords we have to use for the which test cases run the first time.
Write down on your word file at the rate test1.
Test 1.
At the rate test2 and at the rate test3.
Yes, sir.
So in front of test1 in bracket priority equals to 0.
Yes.
In next line priority equals to 1 and in third line priority equals to -1. So which will get
Yes.
executed first?
Uh, Priority is equal to is -1.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. So whichever test is there with negative priority, it will get executed first. Then there's 0 priority and then 1 as a priority.
Okay. It means negative priority we have to run. So there was priority is equal to -1 or 0.
-1.
-1. Okay. Yes, sir. I understand.
Now let us say all three tests are having priority equals to 1.
All three. Okay.
Now which will get executed first?
Um, Sir, I think alphabetically run first, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now if I want to skip any of the tests, then what I can do?
For that we use the TestNG keyword. I think enable false.
Enabled equals to
False.
false. False. Correct. Correct. Okay,
Yes.
Swapnil, that's it from my side.